As well. His name is Maxim and he is 14 years old. Это Максим, с ним мы начинаем наше шоу. Maxim gonna rise the national flag of Cyprus and open the show. Давай, Макс, начинаем шоу. Ready? И раз, и два, и три, Максим, давай, давай. Despacito, applause for Max. Well, we started the show and we keep going with our next trick. We are going to play basketball. I have a basket and a ball. And our basketball player is the other Macau in the show. Well, his name is Michael. Michael like Michael Jordan, of course. We are playing basketball. Is that for Mike? Take the ball. The basket's over here. Just stop and get your first point, Mike. Давай. Despacito, up, Mike. And 1 point. 1 point for Mike. Okay, let's do it again, Mike. Is the basketball your favorite sport? Show us with the second point. We go up, up, up already. 2 points. 2 points for the little Jordan, but Michael is professional one and he needs 3 points. We go up, up. Sorry, Mike. It was my turn to play with you. We need to make it like a game. Don't think. Come on, Mike, the last point. 1, 2, and professional 3 points for Mike. Well, it's time for our next trick, but before that, Jaco. Jaco? Jaco? Alright, we can go with the next trick with a small scooter. This small scooter. And now I'm gonna present you the white one, the cockatoo in the show. His name is Coco and he is 12 years old. Го зовут Coco, он 12 лет. Coco, and for scooter. Ladies and gents, Coco and his scooter. Браво, Миш. Давай еще один раз. Да, хорошо. Похлопайте. Браво, скутер, go. Now we're gonna play one very popular game. I have 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups and just 1 bowl. 3 чашечки и 1 шарик. So I'm gonna put the bowl in one of the cups. After that I'm gonna mix the cups. Then Michael will find what in which cup is the bowl. Я поставлю шарик из один этот чашечки, потом размешу их. Майкл, надо угадать, где находится шарик. Mike, you ready? Come on. Иди сюда. Mike, the ball is here. Have a look. Шарик здесь, хорошо? Okay. I'm back. Where is the ball now, Mike? In which cup? Is it there? You sure? Bravo, Mike. Bravo, Mike. Let's see. Bravo, Max. Mike, very well. Let's do it one more time. There's a troublemaker over here. I'm sorry. Let's do it one more time, but now you tell me where I must put the ball. My left, in the middle, my right. Скажите меня, къде поставим шарик сейчас? Улева, посрединя, права. I ask you one more time. You tell me which position I put the ball now. My left, in the middle, my right, улева, посрединя, права.
Посередине.
Middle, okay. Mike, it's again here as always, yeah? Well, where is it now, Mike? In which cup is the ball? Not sure? In the middle, bravo, Mike. That's it, you found the ball. Well done. As you can see, there is no mystery for Mike. So one more time, еще раз, пожалуйста, applause for our ball fighter. After this game, we're gonna play another one, our competition. I have some rings and I show you now. I have 3 rings here, 3 rings. 1, 2, 3. 3 rings on my left side. And another 3 rings on my right side. 1, 2, 3. Also, Maxim, just go under the table and shut up. So, Macarena, now we're gonna play Macarena. No? So, 3 rings on my left side, 3 on my right, and also 2 special places here in the middle of the table for leaving the rings. There are 2 players and 2 teams. One of the birds gonna play from this side, these rings, and from the green team, and the other from the other side with these rings and from the red team. The parrots, they're gonna take the rings and bring them here in the middle, in the right place. The rules are very, very simple. Who takes all the rings and bring them here in the middle, in the right place? First will be what? Winner, of course. Our first player is Max. So, Maxim, you're gonna be our first player, yeah? And you're gonna play from this side, Max. With these rings and from the green team, yeah? Okay, Max? Okay. Now, all you need to do, Maxim, is just wait here, but it's just this. Wait for Mike, okay? The other player is Mike, and you're gonna play from the other side. From this side, Mike, with this ring, side from... Hey, Maxim, no, wait there, Maxim. Hey, hey. Okay, Mike, start, hurry up. Давай, быстро. Maxim, that's not fair. Why you start alone? I told you play from mine. You are taking 2, 3. Mikey took all of the rings, Maxim 1 by 1 and walk. Thank you very much. Now I win. And our second place goes to Maxim. Can I hear Macarena for Maxim as well? Now we keep going with some activity, and by activity I mean bicycle. У меня есть такой маленький велосипед. And Coco is our cyclist. Coco, давай, сделай такую встречу. Айди, Coco. Очень хорошо. One more time. Coco, молодец. Applause for our cyclist. Now I'm going to present you the Spanish tradition. The Spanish tradition of bullfighting. Сейчас представлю вам традиционная испанская коррида. Максим, будешь наш шипать, давай. Let's do the Spanish tradition, yeah? And now we go, ole! Okay, I will need a little help from you. Each time when the bull passed under the red little muleta, everybody say with me, ole! Каждый раз, когда Блейк пресекает красный флаг, все надо кричать со мной «Оле!». Can we make a little test? After 3, everybody, «Оле!». 1, 2, 3, «Оле!». Max, be ready, my boy, are you? Everybody be ready to go now, сейчас, «Оле!». One more time, louder from the other side. Vamos, Max. Macarena, «Olé!». Okay, but now, like the real life and real bullfighting, now I must kill the bull. I'm so sorry, Maxim, there is no other way. Just close your eyes and get ready to die. Maxim, закрой глаза.
Закрой глаза.
Well, obviously Maxim is a strong bull. Okay, anyway, Maxim is doing the James Bond story, Die Another Day. Applause for Max. After the Spanish tradition, we keep going with our gladiators, and I have a small chariot for them. У меня есть такая маленькая римская колесница. And our first gladiator is the African grey in our show. Well, his name is Jaco. Jaco is still a baby, only 1 year old and a few months. He's our first gladiator. Yes, Jaco? Bravo, Jaco. Well, the other one, if he's brave, Mike. Zamolchi. Come on, Mike. So, here they are. Mike and Jaco, you ready? Go on then. Our gladiators. We're gonna turn around and do it again in shoulder rest. One more lap for Mike and Jaco. Давайте. Хорошо. Applause down first for Mike. And of course, applause for the other gladiator for this beautiful African grey. Big applause for our baby as well, Jaco. It's time for extreme sports with small skates. У меня есть такие маленькие ролики. And have a guess, who is our skater boy? Кой будет на ролинке? Well, who else? Our sport activity Parrot, the cyclist, and the scooter boy Coco. Coco, he like to move it. Coco, prove it, come on. One time. Here's the time where Coco ensures the pole will go for him. Go, skater boy. Давай. Listen, Coco gorgeous. One more time, ensures, пожалуйста. Applause for our Australian guy. Here in Cyprus, we will never forget about the wonderful weather, about the beach. For that reason, I have a small sunbed, a Parrot one. У меня есть такой маленький лежак, шезлонг. And our beach boy is Max. Здесь на Кипре все нравится такая хорошая погода, такое хорошее море. Максима тоже. Максим, будешь отдыхать? Mike, excuse me, where are you going? Maxim now is on the beach and he found... So what you gonna do now, Max? That's not the right position. You ready? Well... Here we go! Now, Max? Maxim, все хорошо? Okay, let's do it one more time, because I think not everyone saw what Maxim can do. Maxim, пожалуйста, еще один раз. Show us how you spend your summer in Cyprus. Go on. Take your time, whenever you're ready. Maxim is on holiday, we don't need to rush. Будешь отдыхаешь, Максим? Не стесняйся, давай. Maxim is on the beach. Good job, Maxim, very well. Well, Maxim can stay here because he is the Parrot who is doing our last trick, because it's time for that, for our last trick. Maxim is our mathematic genius. I tell you what it is. В нашем шоу тоже есть гений математики, это Maxim. Now, I'm gonna ask you a number, and Maxim will ring. I'm gonna ask you a number, and Maxim will ring the bell with the number. Надо меня скажите одно число, и он будет стучать столько раз по звонку. Хорошо? So, one moment. So, can I have a number? Скажите число. 5. 5, хорошо. Maxim. The first number we have is number 5, number 5. Number 5, Max. Number 5. 5 fingers, 5 bells. Number 5. It's okay. 5, 5, 5. No, Max, correct. Okay, one more time, one more number. Еще одно число. How many? 8, okay, number 8, number 8. Maxim, number 8. 8. 8. He likes you, huh? Come on, number 8, number 8, Maxim, go ahead. 8, 8, 8, well done, Maxim. Exactly like that. It's amazing, you can't believe that, but Maxim can also calculate. Now I need two numbers. Скажите две числа, он тоже можно складывать. Сколько? 3, окей? 3 и 4. 3, 4, 3 and 4. 3 и 4. Максим, посмотри. The numbers we have now are number 3, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, Максим. How many bells? Сколько будет? Давай. Эй! Excuse me, Максим! Стоп, пожалуйста! Он сошел с ума. Максим, what you doing? I told you number 3 plus 4, not 34. Alright, I'm pretty sure Maxim knows the numbers, he just like to play. Don't do that, Max. We're gonna do it one more time, попробуем еще раз, but before that, little bit brain massage. Some brain massage, you like it, Maxim? Oh yeah. Max, I'll show you one more time. Have a look. Number 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Посмотри. Maxim, number 3. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Хорошо, Максим? Давай, еще один раз. How many bells? 3 plus 4. Look. Max? Maxim! Correct, 7 bells. 3 and 4 is 7. Correct. Bravo, Max. Good job. Okay, one more time now, and for the last time. Big applause for our mathematic genius, Maxim! Thank you very much. Спасибо большое. Ladies and gents, with this difficult trick, our show is finished. But now you're gonna have the chance to take a picture with our basketball star Mike. And you can collect your picture tomorrow in the reception. Дамы и господа, дорогие дети, у вас тест возможно сейчас сфоткаться с нашим попугаем Майк. Фотки будут завтра на рецепции.